Hey everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and look at this stunning diamond painting as we take it out and show you. It's a Disney princess. Heart of a Warrior. I love this little logo for Heart of a Warrior, and this is a square all-inclusive kit. Oh, they have elevated the design with pet your box, not your painting. Remember back in high school, it was like, pet your dog, not your date. This has 21 colors, including one AB, which is Aurora Borealis, one Electro Diamond, and two Fairy Dust. So 4 specials. Absolutely gorgeous from Disney. Has everything that you need. And look at this unique box design. Are these the new boxes, or are these only for the Disney? There's Mulan. She's like, I got this, girl. You step back. Let your girl do it. Let your girl do it. You open from the side. Is this a new design? Oh my goodness. I know they just had a fair where they showed a whole bunch of new stuff. I'm super excited to see what is coming out. I also like because you don't have a double box, and therefore it's easy to maintain. You're not like throwing everything around. Okay, so here's the thank you for your purchase. You pop it open like a gift. Look at this stunning image. Now these are all randomly put in there. You never know if you're gonna get a bronze, a silver, a gold, a black. Check out the website. This is stunning. Absolutely stunning. Here's your tips and tricks, step-by-step, Facebook group, and then you have your sticker pack. And it shows you it's a square. You can put this in your logbook or on your kit up containers, and then when you open it up, it shows you your 21 colors with all your DMC codes, and the newer paintings coming out has the codes at the end of your special drills. We're going to put this back. I like to keep my cards still in the box so that it's a special surprise when I get to it and open it up and actually do it. It's my way of knowing what I'm doing. Now this kit comes with the big container or tray. You've got your clear putty, you've got your wax, your 7-placer, your stopper. Oops. And then you've got, I'll fix that later. And then you've got your baggies, and then you have your pen, which we know by the wax, the pen is going to be the clear, and you'll be able to turn it and it'll come out the top, and your 3-placer. Okay, I'm going to put the pen in the bag so it doesn't roll off my desk. Okay, so let's get down and dirty busy. Let's see what Mulan is up to inside. She's, I really like her because I was one of the first, besides Pocahontas, of princesses that just, started off with a bang. She wasn't taking no for an answer. All right, so here you go. You've got your perforated clear top cover on top of your poured glue. This one does have the pink lines. They also have gray lines coming out. So this shows you where you can tear. These are a 4x4 square. You've got your key. I have this upside down. You have your key in the lower right or the upper left. Look at this image. Absolutely gorgeous. This almost is like a Mulan crest, like you would see on a shield, the way they have the dragon and the way Disney did the sword, and she's just stunning, just stunning. Down at the bottom, you've got your social medias, and then you also have your pasting area and who this is from, which is Disney, your SKU number, and Heart of a Warrior is what it's called. All right, so let's dig in. I'm going to pause you guys so I can open this without too much crinkle. 1 second. Okay, so the drills do have Heart of a Warrior in the SKU number. So if they are separated and you store them separate, you can reunify them more easily. All right, so I can never work at a Diamond Art Club facility because I don't know how to put these back in the bags. I've yet to find someone who has. Let me know. Raise your hand. Tell me in the comments if you are a professional packer and can pack these back up. So this is the background color, 927. I really like, it's a green, like a dark sagey color. And I like that it's this color and not like gray. I think you could have a lot of fun using the checkerboard technique because it is square, and you know, do a little square here and a little square there. Also on these, I like that there's perforation because you could keep, you know, these squares covered, do the parts you like inside, and then go back to the square while you're watching a show that you don't need to pay much attention to. Here's 310 for her hair. You've got 37.65. Okay, here's your first fairy dust, first special. Okay, come on, camera. My husband bought me a new camera. I just need to figure out how to set it up so this doesn't cause a lot of trouble. Okay, so here is the mica powder cover on it. I think here's the other colors. And then let's get back to the canvas and see, where does this orange go? So this is the dragon. Okay, so this is her friend, the dragon. It's all in here, and then it's some of the sword as well. It is not her lips, it's a different color. So it's just the dragon and part of the sword handle, and then the stripe through the dragon. The dragon's going to be beautiful. Okay, so then here's your 939, 782. Here's your electric. Look at how beautiful that gold color is. I think, yes, this is going to be the right of the sword, which we'll get to in just a minute. Here, I think these are going to be the flowers. We're going to double check. Here's your ABs. ABs have like a shimmery sequence coating to it. Absolutely gorgeous. You've got some blues in here for her fan and her outfit. There's some other beautiful colors. Even though they're small, they help the rest of the painting pop. So let's see here. Let's get this refocused. So yes, to the right of the sword is going to be that beautiful sparkle, which is going to be fantastic next to the black. Then you're going to have your pink fairy dust. Yes, they are all in the flowers here. Absolutely gorgeous. And then all the white, so the dragon's ear and the eyes, a little bit throughout the flowers are going to be ABs as well. Stunning, absolutely stunning. And then let me just double check. Yep, that is everything. So this is absolutely gorgeous. It's Mulan. It's, you know, the heart of a warrior. Who is your favorite princess? I'm super excited. I love Mulan. This is stunning. Can't wait to do it. Let me know who your favorite princess is and which painting you most want to do from Diamond Art Club's Disney collection. So until next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.